Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to change your caller ID name on Android phone in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to change your caller ID name on Android? Android devices also don't allow you to change your caller ID name directly from the device itself. You must contact your mobile carrier to change the caller ID on Android. Note that not all carriers permit changes to your caller ID name. Once you've confirmed that your carrier allows caller ID change, edit your caller ID name in your Google account. On your Android phone, access the Google app. Go to Google account. Head towards Personal Info. Select the name option. Edit your name to the one you want to appear as your caller ID name. After you've made the change, you should consider restarting your phone. It ensures your new caller ID name is set and fully integrated into your phone system. So, this is all about how to change your caller ID name on Android phone in detailed steps. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.